How to properly cut lace on a front lace wig with baby hair.
Hey ladies, how many times have you bought a wig online or from the beauty supply only to have to cut the lace yourself when you get home? This can be a very tricky or complicated process, and it can ruin your wig if you cut the lace improperly. Stop fooling with scissors and other type of tools trying to cut this delicate lace on your wig. Shop with us at Magic Hair Company, where not only will we cut the lace for you whether you place your order online or in store, our hairline is naturally less dense, there's baby hair already included in our hairline, and the knots are pre-bleached. There's nothing left for you to do but put this beautiful, luxurious wig on. What are you waiting for? Check out our website, magichaircompany.com, and make an appointment to shop with us here in our Culver City store. We will see you soon. Bye.